Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope that you all are fit and fine. So today I will share with you about my country. Our country name is Bangladesh. It is a small country but huge population. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. It has 8 divisions and 64 districts. The main rivers are Bodha, Meghna, Jamuna. Our national flower is water lily. Our national bird is magpie robin. Our main crops are paddy, jute, tea, etc. And our main food are rice and fish. So I love my country so much.